Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1955 Smith Corona Silent Super vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. Margins are above that. Set that one around 2 and this one around 70. That's about the length of a page. You just want to make sure that the margins are in between these two paper fingers. This is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 3 adjustable rollers. So we got 3 adjustable rollers plus the paper fingers to help support that page down. And you want to make sure that that margin's not touching that paper finger, or else the vibrator will get stuck on that. See it? It's right over it right now, so you want it right there. And that looks good. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch back, it skips 2. One more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line to switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that all the way down and prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it doesn't print any ink at all. Just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. When you have it up top, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. We're gonna move that down for red. Beautiful typing machine. This is one of the best typewriters ever produced in the US. And it's, in my opinion, the best Smith Corona ever produced. Absolutely feels good to type on. A daily typer. It won't jam up on you. It'll last forever if you take care of it. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or card stock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. You flip that down for now and put the color back up top to print the top portion of the ribbon. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace above that works great. Tab on the right side. This has a tab set on the keyboard. So you hit the tab. I'm going to clear all these tabs that are already set by hitting the CL button right next to the tab. So now we don't have any, but I don't like to keep it clear of tabs because it slams all the way to the end when you hit that button. I'd rather it stop in the middle. So I set one right there by hitting that set button. You can set as many tabs as you want on this model. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction above the backspace here, flip that up and it'll start pulling counterclockwise to the left. Flip it down, clockwise to the right. That works good. That's the backspace. If I didn't already do that, behind the underneath the tab is the margin release MR. So when you get to the end of the margin, it has a mechanism that blocks you from printing. And if you hit that MR button, it will allow you to go all the way to the end or until you get stuck on that paper finger there. Works good. On the right side of the carriage, behind the knob is the carriage release, and it has the nice metal carriage release levers versus the newer models that have the plastic ones that break. This is the carriage lock. You lift it up, it releases the carriage and locks in the middle. To unlock it, you just pull the carriage to the right side. Carriage release on the left side as well. And this little knob, if you pull it out, disables the spacing when you turn the platen knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it in, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. Same concept on the inside here. If you flip that switch down, it disables the spacing. You flip it up, you get the clicks. And the page gauge on the inside of the platen just lets you know when you're getting close to the end of the page on the bottom. So you want to load it when it's right there below the 11 on the right side there. And then if you watch the left side, it tells you when you're getting close to the end in red. 2 inches, 1.5, and 1 inch, and then that's the end. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.